A tourist is walking down the street and asks a local for directions. Tourist. Excuse me, could you help me, please? Local. Sure, what do you need? Tourist. I'm trying to find the nearest metro station. Do you know where it is? Local. Yes, it's just a 10-minute walk from here. Tourist. Great. Could you tell me how to get there? Local. Of course. Go straight down this road until you see a big supermarket. Tourist. Okay. Local. After the supermarket, turn right. Walk 2 blocks and the metro station will be on your left. Tourist. Got it. Is it close to the bus stop? Local. Yes, the bus stop is just opposite the station entrance. Tourist. That's very helpful. Thank you so much. Local. You're welcome. Safe travels. Tourist. One last thing. Are there any signs in English? Local. Yes, most signs have English translations in this area. Tourist. That's a relief. Thank you again. Local. No problem. Have a great day.